Thank you everyone for this opportunity. મને ખબર છે બહુ જ ભૂખ લાગી છે, પણ મને પણ લાગી છે, but we can always wait. This topic is very important. The reason being કે you as family physicians are the first line of trust for the patient. અને એઝ ઓફથેલ્મોલોજિસ્ટ એ લોકોને અમારા પર એટલો વિશ્વાસ નહીં હોય જેટલો તમારા પર છે. એટલે what is your role when it comes in detection of glaucoma? કારણ કે અમે રિપોર્ટ તો આપી દઈએ, રિપોર્ટ સમજાઈ દઈએ કે ભાઈ આ તમને ઝામર છે, but we don't explain the report. So I will not go much into the detail, 10 minute લઈશ તમારી, and I will also tell you how to read the glaucoma report. So it becomes very easy for you because they expect that you should know everything. So let me begin. તમે આ પિક્ચર જોઈ શકો છો. One side is that you can see a normal vision. અને બીજી બાજુ જે તમે જોવો છો એક tunnel vision છે. That is what a patient with glaucoma sees. Similarly, as glaucoma proceeds, these patients એકદમ નોર્મલ વચ્ચેનું બહુ જ દેખાય 6-6 vision હોય. Even advanced સ્ટેજમાં their vision is always going to remain 6-6. But this is what they see. એક બાજુ તમે આ જોઈ શકો છો, beautiful pink optic nerve, and on the other side you can see a pale optic nerve. This is the optic nerve of a glaucomatous patient. So this is basically glaucoma. Glaucoma is a chronic progressive optic neuropathy which may or may not be associated with raised intraocular pressure, but it is always associated with constriction of visual field and loss of vision. And let me remind you, this loss of vision is irreversible and permanent. અને basically આને ત્રણ મિકેનિઝમ હોય છે કે ભાઈ one is અહીંયાથી aqueous produce થાય છે, aqueous humor, it comes out અને અહીંયા કરીને drain થાય છે. So either the aqueous production is normal but the drainage system is compromised, either the aqueous production is excessive but the drainage system is normal, and the third theory is decreased blood supply to the optic nerve. Glaucoma is very common. It is one of the leading cause of irreversible blindness not only in the world but in India. And it accounts to 12 to 13% of total blindness, which is because of glaucoma. And આપણે બધા જાણીએ છીએ, glaucoma being asymptomatic, it is also called the silent killer of vision. એટલે patient comes to you in the most advanced stage, પણ વચ્ચેનું જ દેખાશે, એટલે એમને કોઈ તકલીફ નહીં પડે, સાઈડમાંથી કોઈ જતું હશે એમને નહીં દેખાય. So that is why it is called the silent killer of vision. So who has the risk factor of glaucoma? આજે તમારી પાસે પેશન્ટ આવે તો તમે કઈ રીતે આઈડેન્ટિફાઈ કરો કે આને ગ્લોકોમા થવાની શક્યતા છે? Basically everyone, we all are at a risk of developing glaucoma. But who are at a higher risk of developing glaucoma? Anyone who is above 40 years of age, જેને પોઝિટિવ ફેમિલી હિસ્ટ્રી હોય. પોઝિટિવ ફેમિલી હિસ્ટ્રી એટલે ખાલી દાદા દાદી કે નાના નાની મમ્મી પપ્પા નહીં, ભાઈને હોય, દાદાના પપ્પા કે એમને હોય કે એમના ભાઈઓને હોય, ધેટ ઓલ્સો મેક્સ અ પોઝિટિવ ફેમિલી હિસ્ટ્રી. હાઇપરટેન્શન, બ્લડ પ્રેશર, મોડરેટ માયોપિયા એટલે નંબર તમને 3 થી 5ની વચ્ચે હોય, પ્લસ કે માઇનસ, સ્પેશિયલી હાઇપરમેટ્રોપિયામાં. Use of steroids, whether topical, local, systemic, any kind of steroid which has been used for more than 4 months. Obesity, and actually in youngsters we are seeing because of obesity and smoking and these new gadgets je aaya che, e-cigarettes and vapors je aaya che, alcohol, these all are associated with it. Obstructive sleep apnea je che, migraine, asthma and stress, these all are these people are at highest risk of developing glaucoma. So as I said, it is a silent killer, and usually pressure is supposed to be less than 21. But whenever the pressure is moderately raised, એટલે imagine કરો 20 થી 25, 30ની વચ્ચે હોય ને તો patient will not have any symptoms. Only they will complain of dull aching headache હશે, transient blurring of vision, especially in the morning. They will complain કે હું સવારે ઉઠું છું મને થોડું ઝાંકું લાગે છે અને પછી બપોર થાય છે એટલે આઈ એમ ઓકે. mild glare, lightની આજુબાજુ ને એમને ફેલાતી હોય લાઇટ એવું લાગશે. And these symptoms are usually confused with migraine. We have seen patients come and એ લોકો migraine ની દવા દે છે, and when we see the pressure, their pressure is 30, 32, and that is how it has been confused. It is only when the pressure increases more than 32, 34, it's when the patient starts to experience tragic or drastic symptoms. Ekdam sensitive to light, they become photophobic. They complain of throbbing headache, nausea, vomiting, sometimes red eyes thai jay, swollen eyes. Glare to dekhay, પણ લાઇટની આજુબાજુ હેલો દેખાય, રેનબો કલર દેખાવા લાગે, and there is sudden decrease in the vision. Now these symptoms migraine સાથે confused થાય, but more importantly as ophthalmologists also these symptoms are usually confused with fulminating conjunctivitis. So it's very important કે ક્યારે પણ આ patient આવે, because it's red, swollen eyes, we definitely do take their intraocular pressure કે આપણે એમને એકવાર ophthalmologist માટે reference આપીએ. So broad spectrum જોઈએ તો there are આપણે ખાલી patient આવે મને મીઠો ઝામર છે, કડવો ઝામર છે. So basically we have 4 type of glaucoma, which is open angle, narrow angle, normal tension glaucoma. Normal tension એટલે pressure normal હોય, but the blood supply to the optic nerve has been compromised in some or the other way. And secondary glaucoma based steroid induced હોય because of trauma, because of lens induced like phacomorphic ને એ. But mainly open angle and closed angle glaucoma hoy chhe. So just a comparison, on one side is the open angle glaucoma. અહીંયાથી ciliary body થી તમારું produce થાય છે aqueous humor, comes out from the iris ને lens ની વચ્ચે તે, and it's got drained into the trabecular meshwork. In this kind of glaucoma, basically trabecular meshwork angle કહેવાય, એ open હોય છે, but the trabecular meshwork has been compromised. While on the other hand, a closed angle where the trabecular meshwork has been blocked by the iris itself. So major questions, do all glaucomas require treatment? Yes, all glaucomas require treatment in form of medications, because now with the advancement with the eye drops, it is very easy to treat glaucoma. Do everyone need iridotomy? આજકાલ બહુ જ ચાલ્યું છે કે ગ્લોકોમા હે એટલે લેઝર કરી દો, લેઝર કરો ને એટલે they make a way for the aqueous to come down. No, not everybody requires. Only patients with narrow angle glaucoma, mostly they are hypermetropic patients, they only require iridotomy. આજે આપણે જોઈએ closed angle છે, અહીંયા trabecular meshwork માટે aqueous ને જવાનો રસ્તો નથી, that is why we do an iridotomy. Do all need surgery? Absolutely not. Barely 2 to 5% of the patients suffering from glaucoma require surgery. That is because with the recent advancement of the drops, only people with glaucoma જેમાં ડ્રોપ્સથી કંટ્રોલ નથી થતા, with 1, 2, 3, 4 maximum medical therapy થી પણ if glaucoma is not controlled, we do surgery only and only to reduce the pressure. Is surgery the best option to save vision? Absolutely not. Surgery is only there to reduce the pressure despite being treated with maximum medical therapy. Investigation માં 3 છે, intraocular pressure, perimetry and OCT, a must for diagnosing glaucoma. હવે અમે તો રિપોર્ટ આપી દઈએ છીએ અને એ રિપોર્ટ તમારી પાસે આવે અને તમને કે સાહેબ આ જુઓ ને કઈ રીતે અમે રિપોર્ટ રીડ કરીએ. So there are 2 things you only have to see. This is an OCT report of the optic nerve, and as ophthalmologists we are so bad, અમે રિપોર્ટિંગ કરતા જ નથી, એટલે અમે છોડી દે છે કે આ તમારો રિપોર્ટ જાઓ તમને ગ્લોકોમા છે એટલે તમારી પાસે આવશે. What you have to see, the right eye report તમે જુઓ છો અને આ લેફ્ટ આઈનો રિપોર્ટ છે. On the right eye, any report of OCT when you see, you have to see the average cup disc ratio. Any ratio which is above 0.65, અત્યારે રાઈટ આઈમાં તમે જો it is absolutely normal, 0.48 છે અને લેફ્ટમાં 0.81 છે. So it shows કે left eye નો report છે, it has glaucoma, while right eye seems absolutely normal. Another report which we see similarly, બંને આંખમાં છે 6.5 છે અને એકમાં 7.4 છે. So this is what you see. Whenever you get an OCT report, make sure you see the average cup disc ratio. Any cup disc ratio above 0.65 is a glaucomatous suspect. Above 0.7, most of them require treatment. Then comes the perimetry report. Our report લઈને આવે and then they expect everybody to know કે આ report કઈ રીતે અમે read કરીએ એમ. So basically this is a perimetry report. આ તમે જે black and white ને colorful જોવો છો, that is called the gray scale or the color scale. અને basically when we have to see a report, we have to see the corrected possibility no report. The same report માં last હશે છે corrected possibility. This gray scale આ છે બતાવે છે glaucoma, but this kind of picture can be in case of advanced cataract, in case of corneal opacity હોય તો પણ આવો રિપોર્ટ આવી શકે. પણ એમાંથી આપણે corrected possibility જોવાની. Corrected possibility will eliminate all the artifacts, all the media opacities like cataract, and it will give you actual report of the optic nerve. અને you can see કે આટલું બધું right eye માં advancement બતાવે છે પણ છે ખાલી આટલું. While on the other eye ઓછું બતાવે છે but it has more damage in the left eye. So this is what a grayscale of a perimetry of a glaucomatous patient looks like. This is a normal, and as it advances you can see a peripheral visual field compromise થાય છે, and then we come to a center tubular vision. This is what basically it happens. This is what a patient sees. Patient will see a small dot, પછી એ સાઈડમાંથી ડોટ વધતા જશે, ફર્ધર વધતા જશે. This is basically called a scotoma, અને પછી એક ટનલ વિઝન જેવું લાગશે. Right side you can see a very healthy pink optic nerve, and as glaucoma advances you can see કેવી pale થઈ જાય છે. And let me tell you, this is absolutely irreversible. As a family physician, one thing you should know that these symptoms can be misleading with migraine and conjunctivitis, and most of the time pharmacy mathi over the counter drops ape che, they contain steroids which absolutely aggravate this situation. And a confrontation test hoy che, which I'll not go into detail, but tame pan OPD ma besine you can do that test and you can know whether it is a suspected patient of glaucoma or not. Lastly, certain systemic disorders that are very much associated with glaucoma, which is asthma, diabetes, BP, obesity, obstructive apnea, skin treatment, especially for psoriasis je loko leta hoy che, oral steroids per migraine, cases of arthritis, spondylitis. Sickle cell anemia is always associated with normal tension glaucoma because it obstructs the blood flow of the optic nerve. Herpes, chronic kidney disease, Alzheimer's, and Down syndrome. So whenever a patient walks in your OPD and you find કે આમાંથી કોઈ પણ હોય, તો 10 to 20% of people have glaucoma when they have certain some of these systemic disease. So that is when your role comes, and you should always refer them to an ophthalmologist. So with this I conclude my talk. Thank you so much.